Akinyita mbaru kwamurwo kwa Wanjiru Karugu ta munini wa ngavana kaunti-ini iyo, mutongoria wa rĩngĩ mbunge-ini David Kanyugo ni araugire kwamurwo kwa Wanjiru ni gukuhotithia kaunti iyo kwambĩrĩria mĩtaratara ya uthii wa na mbere handũ ha ũteti. Ni arongereire kuga Wanjiru ari na ũhoti wa kũruta wĩra wake kũringana na mathomo make, ũndũ ũrĩa ũranyitirwo mbaru ni MCA wa Konyu Eri Kwamobi.
She is from Nyeri. She's a very ordinary woman, from very ordinary background, from very ordinary parents.
The report of the county assembly committee on appointment on the vetting of the nominee for appointment to the position of deputy county governor, Nyeri County.
Oho atetia matongoretio ni munini wa speaker wa bunge iyo Samuel Kariuki ni manareganire na kwamurwo kwa Wanjiru ta munini wa governor.
I want to oppose the highest terms possible, so that at least this county can be given a person that can be able to support the way what people want. I strongly oppose.
Leu gavana wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga ni ugite Wanjiru ni akuhitithio ica ikuhi nigetha ambĩrĩria wĩra wake. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Gicuki wa Ng'ang'a.